Today I want to share a very simple and straightforward automation that's a great way to get started in Make if you're connecting these two systems together. We implemented this for a client of ours who specifically wanted to know when a new contact form submission was made in Shopify, either through their contact form or through the chat box that pops up. They wanted to know when someone filled that out, and they wanted them immediately to be put into the GoHighLevel funnel. The reason they wanted to do this is because this was a marketing channel that was sometimes missed. People who bought products were added to the marketing funnel through Shopify. However, what they wanted is something that was specifically targeted at people who'd contacted them. And they thought GoHighLevel was the best way to do this because they'd spent time building out quite a robust marketing funnel through there. They'd paid an agency to do it, they wanted to leverage it. So I came in, helped them implement this very simple automation that runs automatically. Let's take a look at what that actually looks like in Make. You can see it's a very simple two-step implementation, which again, you can find this blueprint on our website if you want to do this yourself. However, you can see that on the left, it's watching customers, so it's live. So every time a customer comes in, or every time a customer is tagged as filling out the contact form, which is in there, they will then go through this filter. As you can see, this is watching customers. A filter is set up to just watch form submissions only, which is the tag that's set up. And when that's set up, it creates a contact in GoHighLevel. This can be tweaked and tailored in more detail if you want. It can be added to certain segments or marketing lists immediately. But this is the core foundation of what we then ended up doing for them. And this is a good example of a micro automation that is something that someone should be doing all the time, but probably gets missed because you have 100 other things on your plate and it just doesn't happen. So we built this, automated it, and then we've added on to this actually. So this then became a more complicated process. But this was the very beginning and is a very easy way to start working with Make, with Shopify, and GoHighLevel. Any questions as always, please let me know.